Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making stuffed cactuses. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Walnut Hollow and Fairfield World. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some stuffed cactuses. Cacti? Make sure to check out walnuthollow.com and fairfieldworld.com to find all kinds of amazing products to use in your craft projects. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.